Going into the open this morning, U.S. markets are looking up. In midday, European shares are about break even. Also now we're going to turn to the deal's Laura Board in our London studio. She has more news on individual markets and stocks. Laura?
Morning, John. Yes, European indices in positive territory just after a very strong day of trading in Asia, in which several of the indexes recovered some of their steep losses of earlier in the week. In corporate news, Aurora Oil and Gas of Perth, Australia, has agreed to a $2.4 billion takeover from Canada's Baytex. Baytex wants to get its hands on Aurora's shale gas assets. Aurora's stock closed up 56%, just under the 4.10 Australian dollar per share price that Baytex has offered. Over in Tokyo, investors had a chance to respond to the company's restructuring efforts announced yesterday, including the sale of its PC unit and the spin-off of its TV business into a standalone subsidiary. They've given the recently arrived CEO Hirai the benefit of the doubt, marking the stock up 4.1%. Finally, in Europe, steelmaker Arcelor is up sharply on fourth quarter earnings that beat analysts' expectations. It's made a net loss of 1.3 billion. That might sound bad, but that's about a third of the loss of a year earlier. Its EBITDA is up 23% at 1.9 billion, and investors are hoping not only for ArcelorMittal but also its steel sector peers that this might mark the end of a protracted period of uncertainty and difficulties in the steel sector. That's all from me, John. Back to you in New York.
Thank you very much, Laura. Laura Board reporting for the Deal's London newsroom.